Hi, my name is Ryan Pearcy. I'm the MoDOT area engineer for Southwest St. Louis County, and I'd like to take a little bit of time today to talk to you about one of our upcoming projects that will have some significant impacts to traffic. Along the bridge behind me, this is I-270 in Conway. So what's the issue? The issue is we have a very highly traveled upon bridge here behind me that's reached the end of its lifespan and needs to be replaced. In doing so, we're going to add some additional enhancements, not only replacing this bridge, but rehabbing a few other up at Ladue and the I-270 and 64 flyovers. As we replace the bridge behind us, we'll be adding lanes on north and southbound that will follow up to Ladue. The Ladue bridge will be widened as well, and the ramps will be reconfigured for that new configuration for the new roadway pavement. At the end of the project, if you're traveling I-64 to northbound 270, there'll be 2 additional lanes for you to merge and get up to speed prior to Ladue. If you're coming southbound 270, there's going to be more space for you to get off and exit to I-64 to either go east or westbound. Now, during construction, what can you expect? As the Conway Bridge is replaced, 1 lane in each direction, both northbound and southbound, will need to be closed down around the clock. The rest of the lanes are going to be striped to narrow lanes, and you'll have to shift traffic in between out of the traffic work zone. The construction is going to start with the outside lanes. It'll switch to do the right lanes on southbound 270. We'll then switch to the middle of the interstate, and then the right lanes on northbound 270. One other addition that's going to happen regarding this bridge is, in place of the signals behind me at McAuldy and South Outer Road, there's no signals here, but there's going to be 2 one-lane roundabouts that are going to be replaced with the configuration down at this area. The same traffic control pattern for the replacement of the Conway Bridge is what we'll do at Ladue, but those won't be done at the same time. There's enough space between both bridges that we can utilize the traffic switch. As we are doing the work up at Ladue, the northbound ramp to Ladue will need to be closed for a time period of 2 months. The timeline of that is not worked out yet, but it will be part of what's needed to be done. All this information that I've been giving you today can all be found on MoDOT's website, modot.org. You'll need to go local to the St. Louis area, click on active construction projects in the Southwest area. You can find information about this project and all the others if you have those interests. You can read much more information regarding more than what I've just told you today. You can follow the project along the timelines, and also go to that website and sign up for our media blast, where you can get text messages or emails regarding the upcoming timelines for the projects that we have going right here. You can also follow us on social media such as Facebook and Twitter, where we will also be identifying when those closures happen to make the public known. This project is going to start in March of next year. The closures will begin, and it is a 2-year construction season project before we can fully implement and fully construct and complete the project at this time. I thank you for taking a little time today, coming to our website, listening to me talk about this upcoming project. We are aware of the impacts that this project has. We know how much traffic utilizes 270 and the congestion that exists today, along with what this work zone is going to bring. If you are a daily commuter of this area, you should consider using alternate routes. If you're going north and south, you can use 141 or 67. If you need to travel east or west, there's 100, there's 340, and there's 70. If you're a daily commuter, possibly try to avoid those peak hour times between 6 and 9 and 3 to 6 if you can. Otherwise, as you travel through this work zone, you just have to remember that there's going to be congestion. We know this. We're trying to minimize all the impacts that we can regarding this project, but this is work that needs to be done. on this bridge, and we're taking advantage of the closures, of the lane closures on this bridge to do the extra work around. Go to our webpage, sign up for the media blast, follow us on social media, and as the work starts, everybody just remember, look out for each other on the roadway, look out for our consultants, look out for our inspectors, our contractors. The goal is to get this work done, but all work together. Everybody wants to start work, everyone wants to go home safe. Watch out for everybody through the work zones, and remember overall, everybody please remember to buckle up and put your phone down. Thank you.